How do you ensure consistent API endpoint naming? Imagine building an API that everyone can understand and use without confusion. Consistent naming makes your API predictable and easy to navigate. When you keep your endpoint names clear, everyone benefits. First, use nouns to name your resources. For example, use /users to representing user data. Avoid verbs like /getUsers because the HTTP method already indicates the action. This aligns with REST principles, which focus on resources rather than actions in the URL. Next, make resource collections plural. Use /users for multiple users, /products for many items. This helps users know they are dealing with a group of data, not just one. It also keeps your naming uniform and easy to remember. Always stick to lowercase letters. Uppercase can cause issues on some servers. Use hyphens to separate words like /user roles. Hyphens improve readability and are compatible across different systems. Avoid underscores or camel case, which can be less clear. Keep your paths simple and avoid deep nesting. For example, /users/123/orders/ for 156/items can become complicated. Instead, use /users/123/orders for orders by a specific user. Use hierarchy only when it makes sense, like /users/123/posts for posts by that user. Don't include file extensions like .json or .xl in your URL. Instead, specify the data format through headers. This keeps URL clean and flexible. Use query parameters for filtering or actions. Instead of /users/active, use /users. Status is equal to active. This separates resource paths from filters or actions, making your API clearer. Version your API by adding a number in the URL. For example, /v1/users. This way, you can update your API later without breaking existing clients. Maintain consistency across all endpoints. Use the same naming rules everywhere: plural nouns, hyphens, lowercase, and simple structure. Consistency helps developers predict endpoint names and reduces mistakes. Finally, choose names that are clear and descriptive. Avoid cryptic abbreviations. For example, /user roles is better than /er. Clear names make your API more user-friendly and easier to understand. By following these practices, your API endpoints will be straightforward and predictable. This makes it easier for developers to work with your API, write documentation, and maintain it over time. Consistent naming keeps your backend organized and accessible for everyone involved.